converting leads in Salesforce can be a very time-consuming task, as we can only do it one at a time. This can be pretty annoying, especially for the following use case. Because while going through my list, I see a lot of leads from the Google company. I can see 2 over here, and if you go down the list, we see another one and another 3 over there. And Google is already an account in my environment as they are a paying customer. So I would love to bring these leads and convert them to become a contact under the existing Google account. And using Data Action Platform, we can mass convert in many different ways. And one of them is via the list view. So I could decide to select the records and then go to the action launcher from which I can access the mass convert action. But if I don't want to handpick the records, I can also go to the DAP job page to start a new job. And I can give it a name, convert Google leads. And then I can select the object I want to select records from, which is going to be the lead object. And I'm going to pick the records by applying a filter. And to target the records from Google, I'm going to take a look at their email addresses, and I'm going to make sure that I'm only picking leads where the email ends with google.com. And by applying that filter line, I'm able to select the leads that I want to mass convert. Clicking next, the action launcher is opening, and I now can see the actions that are assigned to my profile. I want to pick the mass convert action, after which I can configure the action itself. Now, we have to set a couple of things. For example, where do we want to convert towards? We do not want to create a new account, but we want to choose an existing one, and that is going to be the Google record. As a next step, I can decide if I want to create new contacts or convert towards existing contacts, but in this case, I want to convert towards new contacts. In my company, it's common practice to create an opportunity during a conversion, and we're going to create an opportunity for every record. And for the opportunity name, we can use field variables. So what I'm going to do, the name is going to be built up out of the company name and the last name. I can change the record owner for new records if I want to, or change the converted status, but I'm okay with how it's set right now. And I'm clicking next to go to the action summary. So here I can see what I've configured, and I can make changes before I start if I want to, but I'm okay with this, so I can start, which will initiate a mass convert based on the filter that I've set. And now these leads will be converted to become a contact under the existing Google account.